Today we're going to be solving equations using the distributive property. So you reviewed the distributive property a couple days ago, so we're going to use that skill to start solving equations. So I recognize that I have to use distributive property in this equation because I have parentheses with a number next to it. So that tells me it's multiplication. So remember, distributive property, we're going to multiply the outside by every term on the inside. So 3 times 4x would be 12x. And then 3 times 1 is 3, and I just keep that same sign in the middle. Okay, and then when we're solving an equation, remember you undo any addition or subtraction first, and then you undo multiplication or division second. So I'm going to undo this addition first by subtracting 3 on both sides so that these cancel out. So I have 12x equals, and then 51 minus 3 is 48. All right. And then I need to get x alone, so I have to get rid of this 12. So right now this is like 12 times x, so opposite of times is divide. So I'm going to divide both sides by 12. So x equals 4. All right, number 2, same thing. So I recognize this is distributive property because I have a number next to a parenthesis. So that 4 gets distributed to everything inside my parentheses. So 4 times 2x is 8x. 4 times 3 is 12, and I have 44 on the right side. So subtract 12 on both sides. I'm doing the opposite so they cancel. And then 44 minus 12 is 32. So divide both sides by 8 is my final step, so x equals 4. All right, last one. So this one is a little bit different because the distributing is taking place on the right side of the equation. That doesn't matter, you're going to do it the exact same way. So even though we're on the right side, I'm still doing the same thing. So 5 times x and then 5 times 6. So remember, if there's no number in front of the variable, that means it's an invisible 1. So if you want to draw that 1 in there, you can, but you don't have to. So it's like 5 times 1x, so that's 5x, and then 5 times 6 is 30. Okay, and then I'm going to subtract 30 on both sides. So I have 10 equals 5x, divide by 5, so x equals 2.